Hello everyone, welcome to Zylostar, new weekly market update with me, Mr. Amidian and Mr. Samer.
Past week has been eventful, and I mean it literally. Zylostar had an incredible, informative and cheerful event. Congrats and welcome for those who attended, and I'm sorry for those who didn't. Stay tuned for upcoming events. Now, about financial markets, the past week was very rational actually. Gold has stabilized. That's due to this week, and this week we are 1 week away from US elections, and this will play a very crucial role of what's going to happen next.
Definitely, like regarding to the US election and also about the tension at the Middle East, they accelerated in the last week, and also due to these tensions, commodity prices is reaching higher levels, and also from the corporate earnings in the US, this week is very crowded, and do not forget this week is crucial because of the economic indicators. They are very impactful this week.
Hello guys, so let's check together Zylostar strategies. We'll go to the Euro USD, what they are expecting, and the gold also. In the gold market, what we are expecting is consolidating in a narrow range, as we can see here, within an up channel. So the price, where is it? The price now, it's 2,735, and what we are expecting to continue the narrow range between the support and resistance level. The support level is around 2,700, at the resistance level it's around 2,750. So now what we are expecting the market to go to this movement from here regarding the support and go back to the resistance, or may trace directly to the resistance area. This is our outlook for the gold. Let's check together the Euro USD. Euro USD, we can see now at crucial support level as we expect in the last week, and what we are expecting also, he will retrace to this support to resistance level and fail down again. So what we can expect, either he will retrace from here, either he will break the support level, do some retracement and go to the downside. So this is about the Euro USD. So what we said, it's in crucial support level and is between the support area and the resistance area between 1.078 to 1.095. This is our outlook, guys. Let's meet next week.
Alright, so let's start our technical outlook for the upcoming week. Kicking it off with the dollar index as usual, our favorite. Not all the time our favorite. Okay, so we can see the dollar has continued very strongly its upward momentum. It didn't retrace as much as we anticipated. However, it created for us this bull flag here, and after this candle confirmation, we could have went for a buy targeting this resistance. So that was a solid one. But right now, it's at a very solid resistance, and we could see the market retrace from here, retested it again. With the US elections, a lot of weights on both sides, and we could see the dollar going down, retracing perhaps for this support here before trying an attempt for a breakout, or perhaps reach into this support once more. So we'll see how this goes. We need confirmations if we're looking to sell from here on a lower time frame. Let's see. And going to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing quite well, very solid and nice natural uptrend in an ascending channel. So we can see also that the market right now is doing a sort of symmetrical triangle here, which market shall be expected to make a breakout. So it might break down, reaching this support before continuing up, or it might just continue its uptrend to the upper trend line of this ascending channel, right? So going to US 100. Now, as anticipated, US 100 consolidated, and now we still expect it to consolidate. However, there is some demand, right? So it's like stronger on the upper side. However, we have to keep in mind that a lot of investors now are looking at stocks or indices, especially, as they're very overbought because of this interest rate anticipation and all of that. There is something actually fundamental. I don't have it here to show you, but everybody from the Federal Reserve members telling us that inflation is under control, inflation is managed as well as anticipated. However, there was a certain scenario, or a similar, very similar scenario happened back at 1970s, where they also did the same thing. Inflation was running the same thing, then inflation skyrocketed. So we might see that happening. There's a very slight percent of chance, very little people are talking about it, and that might cause these indices to fall and keep it consolidating. So if you ask me, is it a good buy now? You don't want to buy at premium. Is it a good sell now? Well, technically it looks like, if we get a good confirmation, to sell. However, I would rather wait for a pullback if it happens, or a breakout and retest before buying again. Alright, so this will be about US 100.
Hello everyone, this is Masoud Amidian. I'm a senior fundamental analyst at Zylostar. Hope you are doing great. We are here once again to review the most crucial aspect of the financial market, which is fundamental. As usual, I want to start again with the economic indicators. On Monday, 28th of October, we are going to receive a speech from the chairman of the Bank of Canada. Tomorrow, on 29th of October, which is Tuesday, we are going to receive the CB Consumer Confidence from the United States, and also JOLTS, or let's say job opening data, which is related to the employment sector at 6 p.m. together tomorrow. On Wednesday, on 13th of October, we are going to receive the CPI number for quarterly and annually for the Australian dollar at 4:30 a.m. according to Dubai time. As you know, our head office is located in UAE, Dubai. So later at the same day, we are going to receive the German CPI number and also ADP non-farm employment change, or better to say employment in the private sector at 4:15 p.m. to UAE time. And also later, finally, we are going to have at 4:30 p.m. the GDP number for the third quarter. And also on 31st of October, we are going to receive the manufacturing PMI from China, Bank of Japan policy statement, monetary policy statement, and also interest rate decision. And finally, we are going to have the press conference of the chairman of Bank of Japan. At 4:30 p.m., we are going to receive the GDP number for Canadian dollar, core PCE, which is the most important one for the Federal Reserve to make decision regarding to interest rate and inflation, will be published at 4:30 p.m. on 31st. And also employment cost index, or better say ECI, and finally initial jobless claims. Eventually on Friday, we are going to receive the CPI for CHF or Switzerland, and also the biggest economic indicator, or better say the most impactful economic indicator of the week for the US dollar, will be published at 4:30 p.m. on Friday, which is NFP, or better say non-farm employment change. And later we are going to receive the ISM for the manufacturing PMI. So the next topic is the tension in the Middle East. As you know, tensions accelerated in the Middle East, and it's at the highest level since 2006. So it can affect the commodity prices, and as you know, gold prices and other commodities such as Brent crude oil is reaching higher and higher prices. So let's jump to the next chapter, which is the corporate earnings. This week is super crowded. From the corporate earnings, we are gonna receive the earnings of the big companies such as AMD, Microsoft, Meta, Coinbase, Caterpillar, Amazon, Apple, Intel, Uber, ExxonMobil, Chevron, and other giant companies such as MasterCard, PayPal, Ford, Philips. So do not forget, these earnings can change the sentiment of the investors for the soft landing, and also from the corporate earning, and it can be effective. Do not forget, if you want to increase your success rate in the financial market, always mix fundamental and technical together. The result would be amazing. That's all. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends.
Thanks for our team, and thanks for you guys.